This is the walk around of the 1980 Volkswagen Transport Fire Department ambulance at idle. Nice, quiet ride. Coming back into the inside, you can see the medical compartment, stainless steel treatment deck, one of the two stretchers, the other is behind the seat, the removable stair chair, slides right out, collapsible medic jump seat, compartments, collapsible medic seat, ceiling, all vinyl intact, fluorescent light, fan, driver call button, privacy curtain that comes down, sealed off, driver's compartment, smooth shifting 4-speed, ton of documentation. And there you have it. The 1980 Volkswagen Transport original German ambulance. Probably one of very few in the United States. Looking to sell, please call or check out the auction.